Un, due, tre. Well, hello everyone and welcome. And welcome where? I forgot the name of the channel. Wooden! Yeah! Welcome to Wooden, which is not a channel that has to do with wooden things, or maybe not just wooden things, or maybe not primarily wooden things. It's a channel that has to do with things you don't need, things I don't need, and things you probably don't need too. But these are toys we like to play with. And I mean, they're legal toys. There are much worse things that people don't need, but still they want to play with. And this is an unboxing. And what kind of a word is unboxing? Did it exist before the internet? And can we have similar words in other fields of the human life? Yeah, I just did an unbrushing. Today we are going to open this box, and in this box is, well, this one is, I don't know if you can say it. Box made in China, recycle, just like a box. Yeah, it's all paper, so it's good. You can recycle it all. What have we got here? It's beautiful. Oh, before we open it, let's do a wrist check. Yes, I still have a wrist. Thank God. So I can put some watches on. What is this? Oh, it's an Armitron. It's an Armitron box. In the box, I kind of like this box. It's a tin box with this golden lime-like color and the black bottom part. And let's open this up. This beautiful digital vintagey looking watch. And it has the alarm turned on. I don't want it turned on because it's gonna drain the battery. But I don't know how to turn it off. Maybe like this. Yes, like this. And chime. Oh, sorry, were you able to see this? Now it says alarm and chime. First it said just alarm. And now there's no alarm and no chime, which are good things for it to keep its battery as long as it can. Here we are in stopwatch mode. Can you see it? And here we are in T2. What's T2? Ah, yeah, this is a double time. No, not double time. What is it called? Dual time. Yeah, it's another time zone. It's 6:34. Somewhere. Well, here it's 3:34. No, it's not. But then you're interested about the watch. And this is just the unboxing because I'm going to give this to my wife. And maybe if she doesn't like it, she doesn't like to wear it, she's just going to say, you can keep it. But really, this was a present for her with all my heart. Okay, this is a watch that you don't need, that I surely don't need. But this one is special and you want to know why. It's because it has a stainless steel case apart from a stainless steel bracelet that I'm only going to let you have a look at while still in the box because I have to give it as a present. Then maybe I'll ask my wife, will you lend me this watch so that I can make a review? And when she says no, you won't see any review of this watch, but you have many other channels. Let's check some measurements. Oh, lug to lug, the most important measurement of all. Lug to lug, it's 39. We have 39 lug to lug. We have 34.3 across. Pushers are protruding a bit. Oh, what a beautiful verb, to protrude. Weight, I don't know how much this weighs. It weighs 3 times as much as a Casio F-91, or maybe 4 times as much. And dare I say that this bracelet looks much better made than that of the Casio, for example, A168. And the back, oh, the back, it looks like a silver coin. It has a beautiful, what do you call this, engraving or etching, or I don't know. But it's really nice to the touch. Pushers, the buttons, they're really fun to press. They're easy to press. They're comfortable to press. Wow, this watch looks really killer. Or really nice. And what a beautiful stainless steel case and bracelet watch. And the name Armitron comes from the founder of this watch company, whose name was Armin. Thank you, Armin, for making these watches come back to life. This is a really nice watch. I can't wait for my wife to wear it. What do you say? Maybe I'll buy one for myself. These are really cool. I cannot say how much I paid it on Amazon, but it's, I don't know, $15 more expensive than an F-91, but maybe 100 times more valuable because of the stainless steel. Really well made. More or less the same functions. And let me rebox it. So this is an unboxing and a reboxing. Let's rebox it and put it away. Ciao, ciao.